How to add an external bank account to Capital One checking account. To add an external bank account to Capital One checking account, first of all, you have to launch the Capital One checking application or the mobile banking application. Once you've launched the mobile app, you have to log into your mobile banking account by entering your username and the password and tap the sign in button. After you're signed in, just navigate to Account and Feature Settings. So you can look for this option under your account name or icon in the top right corner. Then you have to locate the External Accounts section. This section will allow you to manage your linked external accounts. After that, you can add an external account by following the prompts to provide the necessary details such as the other bank's routing number and account number, and Capital One will likely send a small test deposit to your external account. You will then need to log into your external account, find those test deposits and enter the amounts to confirm the link with your Capital One account. This way you can add an external account to Capital One checking account. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end and see you in the next video.